Founded in 2018, Community School Collaborative was created in response to research showing that students thrive when learning is meaningful and connected to the real world. Today, CSC partners with the Livingston School District, primarily at Sleeping Giant Middle School, and has expanded into rural schools across Park County, ensuring students in every corner of our community have access to career exploration and real-world learning. 6 times a year, Cougar Career Days gives students the chance to step out of the classroom and into local businesses for full-day hands-on exploration with community professionals.
Cougar Career Days really helped me figure out jobs that I really like.
Pop-up clubs are small group after-school experience that allow students to dive deeper into careers they're curious about, inside real workplaces, building confidence and discovering their strengths.
I chose to sign up for pop-ups because I thought that, again, it would be great opportunities to explore and see what I can do when I'm older.
As Valley Boys, I don't feel like we get to experience as much as the kids in the city, so having the Cougar Days allows them to experience a little bit more. I definitely feel like there was a curiosity, but it helped with the confidence.
Job shadowing pairs students with local mentors over multiple sessions, helping them gain real-world experience, employability skills, and a sense of what it means to belong in the workplace.
My favorite part of being one of the partners is seeing the kids in the community and just running into them again and just kind of building a rapport. So I'm hoping that, building that rapport, and when they want that job later on, I'm actually able to, help them out, provide some kind of support for them.
I think kids gain a lot from seeing the professionals, and they can look at them in the eye and ask the questions and be honest. And I think that gives them a different perspective than maybe what they've heard before about that job or this job, but they have a better idea when they actually get to talk to a professional.
Naviance, a nationally recognized career exploration software program that CSC provides for the students at STMS, brings it all together, helping students explore career paths and build a personal plan that follows them into high school.
Naviance helps me connect the experiences that I've had with what I might want to do next, and also it's given me a way to try and see how my future would look.
Together with more than 50 business partners, CSC is creating a meaningful pathway for Park County youth. When our students thrive, Park County thrives.